The Rest and Be Thankful viewpoint can be found in Cowalthe on the Cowal Peninsula in the Arrochar Alps. The words Rest and Be Thankful were inscribed on a stone near the junction of the A83 and the B828. This stone was originally placed there by the soldiers who built the original military road in 1753, but the original stone fell into ruin and has since been replaced by a commemorative stone at the same site. The viewpoint was named Rest and Be Thankful because of the long, arduous climb up to it from Glen Croe. The road up to the viewpoint no longer follows the original route. Nearby is Loch Restil, which is a freshwater loch that lies between Glen Croe and Glen Kinglas in the Argyll Forest Park area of the Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park.
Oh, we're going to get broke up.
No.
Bloody car. If I was that car, I'd have stopped and waited for it out.
Yeah.
I know he's going right. It doesn't even matter. Oh, we're going to get split up by a minibus though.
I'm too shaky. Trying to film him.
Yeah, look. Oh, we're going to get broke up again? No. Them two are going to do them two straight. Them cars straight away.
Yeah.
Go on, do them, pussies. You get around there easy, look. 2 miles there, see? Gone for it earlier. Now he's pulling out round.
On the outside of a bend, yeah.
Yeah, should have just gunned it from the start.
Yeah.
We've already been round safely. Jag,
yeah.
How burnt is my badge?
Red here, bit red there, the rest is white.